counties, Morris and Somerset.
Jesus Lord! Why are you not going now?
Impacts, flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional
What the heck?
At 5:56 p.m., the radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain.
Dude,
Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin.
we got another one.
Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen.
Oh my God!
Additional rainfall amounts up to
Whoa, what is happening?
in the Bourne area.
Jesus.
From Whippany River at Morristown, at 5:40 p.m. the stage was 5.0 feet. Flood stage is 6 feet.
God damn, bro.
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
Dude,
Most flood deaths occur in
I
vehicles.
don't understand what's happening. Bro, like literally, this is gonna be so crazy.
Flood watch remains in effect through Thursday afternoon. Watch flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be
Jesus.
northern Delaware.
God damn, bro. What is happening? Like literally. This is a crazy event. God damn, what is happening?